Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I am doing another what's for dinner. We are starting out with lasagna this time. This is my husband's absolute favorite thing that I make, so I am just starting out by browning some ground beef, seasoning it with salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some Italian seasoning. I'm also going to cut up an onion and throw that in there as well. Let me know how you guys are doing during this whole quarantine thing. We are actually doing okay. Me and my husband are still working. He's working in a boat factory and they say that he's essential, and I'm still working at the eye doctor's office. And we have no plans to close at this point because we do take emergency appointments. So we are actually doing okay. My Walmart is not very stocked. We still don't have any toilet paper, but I actually went to Walmart last night and got some groceries, just grabbed whatever I could grab. So we are doing okay, but let me know how you guys are doing. I had this bag of green peppers in my freezer, so I thought I might as well throw those in there too. Next, I'm starting on my cheese mixture. I just use cottage cheese. I usually use the 1% or low fat, and then a handful of mozzarella cheese and 1 egg, and I will mix this together and just put it in the fridge until I'm ready to assemble my lasagna. After the hamburger is cooked, I'm just going to drain the grease, and then I will add my sauce to the pan and we will start assembling the lasagna. I'm just going to cover this with some foil and bake it in the oven for 45 minutes on 400. After I put that in the oven, I wanted to serve this with some salad this night, so I did boil a couple eggs, and I'm going to put this in my butter lettuce, and we will have this with our dinner. So after 45 minutes is up, I'm going to take the foil off my lasagna and add some mozzarella cheese on top, and then I will throw it back in the oven for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to get started on my garlic bread. So this garlic bread recipe I actually got from a girl from work. You just use a couple tablespoons of butter, just melt it in the microwave. Don't melt it all the way, but just get it softened. And then you'll add 2 or 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, some minced garlic, and Parmesan cheese. I forgot to put parsley in here, but she uses parsley as well. And then you'll just spread it all over the French bread that I just got in the bakery at Walmart, and top it with mozzarella cheese. And I baked it for about 10 minutes. It could have went for 12 on 400, and it is so good. Okay, and that is my lasagna. There's some garlic bread on the side, and I forgot to add in my salad, but it is there too. The next night, we just had taco salad. I'm just browning up some ground beef and then adding my taco seasoning in, and then I will show you what my taco salad looks like at the end. I like my taco salad layered up with Doritos, salsa, sour cream, black olives, and cheese. I normally do lettuce, but I did not have any this time, but it is so good. Next is barbecue chicken nachos. This recipe is so easy. It's literally just chicken. I used chicken thighs because they were cheaper, and barbecue sauce. I did add some A1 sauce in here, but it didn't make a difference really. I just added it because we're trying to get rid of it. It's about to go bad, but you just cook it in the crock pot for about 4 hours on high or 8 hours on low. And then you serve it on top of nachos, and we serve it with sour cream. Sometimes I have cheese, sometimes I don't, but you can literally just do whatever you want with it. And then the leftovers that we have, I always serve it with sandwiches and chips the next day, so nothing ever goes to waste. My kids and my husband absolutely loves this. Also, if you are not using your hand mixer to shred your chicken, what are you doing? This last night, I just fried up some hamburgers in the pan on the stove, and it's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let you watch. And we just served it with some leftover pasta salad. I made up some broccoli and cheese noodles and a salad, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.